Doktora, magandang hapon po, Doktora. Peter po ulit, Doktora, from Gens Pharma. Doktora, share ko lang po sa inyo, Doktora, yung chemistry of our success sa Gens Pharma. Gens Pharma is one of the 33 quality controlled laboratories in the world, Doktora, pre-qualified by the World Health Organizations. Kaya, Doktora, thank you very much po for extending the world-class quality ng mga products natin sa pasyente nyo, which is being recognized by the World Health Organization. And Doctor, we are continuously investing in state-of-the-art technology, systems, people, and facilities, Doctor. Doctor, grab ko na rin po yung opportunity, Doctor, na mai-detail sa inyo yung isa sa mga world-class quality products ng Gens Pharma po. Doctor, from moderate to high intensity statin, the robust statin, Doctor. Doctor, I'm sure narinig nyo na rin po yung regarding sa stellar study or nabasa nyo na, Doctor. Let me just highlight pa rin, Doctor. Dr. Rosuvastatin is the most effective statin in lowering LDL-C for up to 63%, Doctor. And with Rosuvastatin, Doctor, versus other statins, Doctor, yung 10 mg pa lang po ng Rosuvastatin is already comparable to other statins, Doctor. Doctor, especially yung Atorvastatin, 40 mg versus 10 mg lang po ng Rosuvastatin, Doctor. Doctor, i-add ko na rin po, Doctor, comparing Rosuvastatin versus Atorvastatin, yung kanilang HDL-C, Doctor. Doctor, yung yellow line, which is yung Rosuvastatin, yung bluish yung Ator, as the dose increases, Doctor, hanggang 40 mg ng Rosuvastatin, nagkakaroon din po ng raising effect sa HDL-C. Whereas sa Atorvastatin, up to 80 mg niya, it shows a decrease in HDL-C. I-ano ko lang, Doctor, sa EDSA guideline, correct na lang po ako, Doctor, kung mali ako, tama. For every 1% reduction ng LDL-C, Doctor, is 1% reduction in CVD risk, Doctor. And for every 1% increase in HDL-C, 3%, Doctor, reduction in CVD risk, Doctor. Yeah. Kaya, Doctor, Rosuvastatin, Doctor, experience since launch is being approved for over 50 countries. 4 million prescriptions being issued, Doctor. Rosuvastatin, our own brand of Brugista, Doctor, is available po sa Mercury, Doctor. Yung 5 mg natin, Doctor, yung bagong price na 15.50, Doctor. Yung 10 is 25, 29 naman, 29.50 naman yung 20 mg, Doctor. Kaya, Doctor, sa mga moderate to high intensities statin ng pasyente, Doctor, Brugista, Doctor. Ayan. And for sure, Doctor, pagka mataas po yung cholesterol, Doctor, mataas din po yung blood pressure, meron din tayong GetSAR, Doctor, yung ating Losartan GetSAR, Latin Get Started with Protection, Get Started with GetSAR, 50 mg, 100 mg plain, GetSAR plus, Doctor, 50 by 12.5, tsaka 100 by 25. And lastly, Doctor, yung ating clopidogrel Norpac to and yung Norpac S, Doctor. Sa mga patient natin at least of ACS, MI, or even stroke. Doctor, yung favorite mo yung Nidibo doon. Check ko yung status, Doctor.
Oo, kanina nung dumating ng pasyente, sabi niya, umiikot na daw siya sa mga Mercury. Wala daw.
Para naubos na.
Hindi ko makakabili daw siya, parang konti lang.
Ba't gano'n, Doctor? Pag Mercury?
Konti lang daw, tapos pababalikin na naman siya.
Bakit gano'n? Baka naman siguro, Doctor. Bakit kaya? Pag Mercury, binibigay naman, Doctor, di ba yung 1 month na prescription sa kanila. Tapos another month ulit pagkabunay. Hindi pa na-check, Doctor. Pero iibutan ko siya mamaya. Kinukumpleto ko muna yung Doctor, yung aking video. Yeah. Breaking boundary pa rin, Doctor, ni 5 and 2.5 millimeters. Kaya, Doctor, thank you very much, Doctor.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sige.